Hi viewers, today I'm going to explain you login form with HTML and CSS. Here we have same kind of these login form, same this. Um, this is the HTML syntax, and here I go into do you have form. One more view for this login. Sorry. Login. Yeah. One more to you. We are giving now the label of name, label name input type equal to text, name equal to name, and we're adding now password, label password input type name equal to input, sorry, name equal to password. Yeah, we're creating one more div for login button. Okay, now we are going to run this code with using live server. Yeah, we got a login heading and name, and then one a text box name. We can write one name like Sai or hotspot programming. That's for 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that. Or here we can give password direct. If you give anything, it will not show you. If you want to see, you can click on this I button. Yeah, this is the and now we're going to give some styles for this UI actually. So for styling or UI, we need to center. I need to put center, right? What we have here, everything is in center, right? So I need to give center. Here I have to give style body, text, align, center. We got everything center now, and I need to give some color to this button, login button. Okay, button background color some green. Yeah, we'll give some, this login text as white. Yeah, we'll give some padding for every div. For every div we have to give padding because it was clumsy, right? Some uh, closer, right? So that's why I'll create one id, like id called some block kind of id, id equal to block. I'll post, I'll give same id to every div. Okay, so block, adding some 10 pixel. Yeah, it was completed now. Here we can write some name, password 12345 6. You can see and login. Thank you guys. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.